Hi there, and welcome to Thrive Yoga and Wellness and Thrive Online. My name is Jennifer Dixon, and today we're going to talk about a supine twist. This twist you can find in yin classes and flow classes. You're going to find it in a lot of different types of yoga classes, and it's really great to help bring about some mobility, not just in the hips, but also all along the spine. It's like you're taking a rag and wringing out all the water. This supine twist is a really great way to get mobility in and along the entire spine. So let's get started. You're going to start out on your back, and you're going to bring both knees into your chest. Go ahead and give them a squeeze. Now, if you can't get your knees as close into your chest as I am, that's okay. I mean, even if your feet are flat on the mat and your knees are bent, you're still going to get a really nice twist this way. I just prefer to start out kind of with this grounding hug of my knees. Who knows? Maybe there's some sort of psychological reason. I just think it feels really good. You're going to bring your hands out wide to a T, and then you're going to let those knees fall heavy over towards the right. If you stack your knees, leaving them just the way they are, that's one type of twist. If you can, see if you can gaze in the opposite direction of your knees, so over towards that left hand. This is how you get your whole spine into this twisting game. Feels absolutely amazing. It's really good to do if you're feeling tight. But if you want to juice it up, you're going to take that left leg and cross it over the right. So the top leg is going to cross over the right, and that gives you a slightly deeper twist here. When I do that, I start to feel the twist a little bit more up into my thoracic region. But just like in any good, would that be a game show or sales technique? We're going to unwrap that left foot, and this time we're going to take the bottom leg and wrap it over the top leg. What that does is you may not twist as much, but you're going to feel more. I prefer this twist, actually. I get a little bit more in and around my obliques, my psoas, all the way down my hip flexor into that top thigh. This is like my jam right here, my favorite stretch ever. So let's release it, and then let's do it on the other side. How do you get out of this twist, you may ask? I like to either really suck in the belly a whole bunch, bring those knees into my chest, and then come out of it. Or you can use your hands and just kind of pick your legs up. That's also a really fun way. So again, we're going to set up. If your knees are close to your chest, awesome. If they're further away with your feet on the mat, that's also awesome. We're going to twist over towards the left. So if you're watching this, you'll notice even with the feet on the mat, those knees falling over towards the left, you're still getting a really good twist. Or you can do it with your knees into your chest, twisting over. It's very little difference, a very subtle difference. Remember, you can look over that right hand to get the cervical spine into this twist, endeavoring to keep both shoulders on the mat. But if that's not happening today, that's okay. The first modification that you may want to try is taking that right leg and putting it over the left, basically wrapping the top leg over the bottom leg. And breathing. Never forget to breathe, right? Yoga is not yoga without that breath. Trying to relax. You're going to feel a really good stretch along the low part of your back into even your butt cheek, down this outside of that right leg. Or you can take the left leg and wrap it on top of the right leg. This one is my favorite. It gets into that hip flexor a little bit more for me, and into my psoas a little bit more. It seems like a chronically tight hip flexor psoas region, and this is like, it's my favorite kind of twist to do, to be 100% honest. And if you can keep both shoulders on the mat, awesome. If you can't, that's cool too. Gaze in the opposite direction of the knees if you can. But if you can't, looking straight up or looking in the direction of the knees also works too. All right, let's go ahead and unwind those feet. Bring both knees maybe back into the chest using your hands or not. Circle in the knees. Do whatever you have to do to kind of forgive yourself for all these twists. And then maybe finding your seated position and letting me know. Go ahead and type a comment down below. Let me know what you think of that supine twist. My name again is Jennifer Dixon with Thrive Yoga and Wellness and Thrive Online, and I'm so pleased to bring you one of my favorite twists that you can do from the comfort of your bed, from your yoga mat, on the floor, anytime that you're feeling kind of tight in the hips and the back. This is a really great way to get some juices flowing. Thanks so much for watching, and don't you forget to hit subscribe on that button so you'll be the first one to know when a new video gets released. I can't wait to see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.